Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix AMAZFIT Balance 3 not syncing with the ZEP app. First, let's make sure that our device is connected. If it is connected, then you'll see the battery percentage. If you don't see it, then we'll do the troubleshooting of that later. But first, let's do troubleshooting that will be applicable for everyone, whether it's connected or not. You should first try restarting both your phone and your watch by pressing and holding on this button on the watch, then tapping on the restart button and approving. And on the phone, it's usually different. It's often pressing and holding on power and volume up or on power and volume down. In this case, it's just pressing on power and volume up, and then I need to click on restart. And now let's wait a moment. Now let's get to the ZEP app, so we can go ahead and try the other stuff. So in our ZEP app, try sliding down from the top of the screen on the home app. On the home screen, if that doesn't change anything, even though the device is connected, then you may want to unpair the device. And if your device isn't paired currently, you may also want to unpair it. So let's slide all the way down in the device section, click on unpair, and now what I would recommend doing is first turning off the watch. So press and hold on the back button, then turn the watch off so it disconnects, to make sure it's disconnected. Let's shut it down. Now it should get disconnected, and then let's click on unpair. Click on unpair and click on OK. Then unpair. Now, let's turn our watch on by pressing and holding on the button. You can see it turns on, and we'll try to reconnect it without resetting it, because later we'll try a reset, but reset erases data, and there's a chance you may not want it, so we'll try it in a different way. When you slide down from the top of your screen, make sure that the Bluetooth icon is on, and then we can begin by going to the watch in the app, then going manual pairing and finding balance 3. Now we may see a request on both of our devices, and let's hope for that, because that will make it way easier, you know. Okay, great. It worked in my case, so I can now pair. Well, no, unfortunately I will not be able to do it this time here. Sometimes it works for some reason. So, okay, the last thing that we may want to try to do is resetting our watch to factory settings. And don't worry, we don't need to erase all data, fortunately, because of how the watch system is created. You can slide down from the top twice, then go to the settings, then scroll all the way down to system, all the way down to factory reset, and now you'll find that you can select what to keep on your watch, even though you're resetting. So I'll keep the local music, the maps, the golf, the App Store apps, watch face, workout history, and the other stuff. Now let's click on confirm, and that will factory reset your watch without erasing all of the data, and then you will be able to reconnect it to the app. As it's resetting, I also recommend uninstalling the app by pressing and holding, then clicking on app info. Usually it depends on the phone, of course, and then clicking on uninstall, and then reinstalling it and signing back in to fix all of the issues. And now make sure that Bluetooth on your phone is turned on. Then also I recommend going to the settings, going to Bluetooth settings, and finding in your saved devices the balance 3, then forgetting it. Once you forget it, let's go back to the ZEP app, and now we'll pair it. Click on the language, approve here, select watch, scan a QR code, and now click on allow. Then click on pair. And now they should pair together, and they should now be usable. So you'll go through the setup and it should work. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.